Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bree Nwanze. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video right here on YouTube for you all. And today in this video, I have for you a way to restyle and revamp your old wigs and make them looking sparkling new and shining. Like, don't you love this on my hair right now? So you might want to watch this to the end. Save that your money. Don't go to a hair salon. You can do it by yourself. And if you want to know how, watch this to the end. So you get your conditioner and you put it in the water, warm water to be specific, and you dip in your wig into it and just use your hand to wash a little and detangle. Once you do that, you leave your wig in the water for about 30 minutes and you come back. You also try to rinse it out again and you detangle with your hands. Once you do that, you rinse out with a clean warm water. After rinsing it, I just decided to brush the hair out a little and apply my leave-in conditioner from Mega Growth. So while I apply that, I'll just detangle with my hands as I go and brush it out as well. Once I brush out, I just leave it outside under the sun to dry. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. So now that you know how to revamp your wigs by yourself at home, you might want to keep that money right back into your bank account and do it by yourself. So when you try out, don't you forget to give me your feedback in the comment section. And once again, don't you forget to click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new content right here on YouTube for you guys. So I'll see you in my next video.